I'm sure you've heard the news about technological advancements, but have you ever thought about the tech behind your everyday elevator ride? Today, we're unlocking the secrets behind elevator door installations. Elevator doors are more than just slabs of metal. They are finely tuned systems requiring expert precision and understanding. First, the alignment of the door tracks is crucial. These tracks guide the door and must be perfectly level to ensure smooth operation. Next up, the installation of the door operator, which controls the movement of the doors. This requires careful wiring and programming to sync perfectly with the elevator system. Safety mechanisms are paramount. These include sensors that detect obstacles to prevent the doors from closing on passengers or objects. Precision in these steps isn't just about efficiency, it's about safety. Incorrect installation can lead to malfunctions, putting lives at risk. That's why every step in the process must be performed with the utmost care and attention to detail. So, next time you ride an elevator, you'll know the meticulous craftsmanship that went into those smoothly operating doors.